This is Manny here. This is Monster Jam. We're coming to see all the trucks. Wait till you guys see this. This is gonna be epic. So just keep watching and enjoy.
Oh, I got that one.
Yeah, that's the white one.
You were saying earlier.
Yeah.
I got that.
So when will we come out?
Watch, they're all in that tent right there.
Nice. Come on, guys.
Yeah, go past the home.
Whoa! You can see the guy running. It's running.
I
want to see.
Wait, why does Sharon get to sit up on there?
Because she can't see over the wall.
I can't see that good. Me either.
You can see above the wall. So can't you?
So we have to wait a few minutes or seconds before they come out again. Nice. That is the police one, the blue one, right there. Yo, I'm making a video.
Oh, yeah? I got the police one. First one I took.
Oh, nice. Oh, who is it? Who is it? Who will it be?
That was by the other look.
That was the first one.
Who will it be?
Got that one.
The zombie!
I got all of them.
And there is the zombie and the police.
Now they're gonna have a competition.
What?
Let's see who comes out next.
One who wins like certain categories goes to the semi-final thing.
Watch, they're lining
I
up.
think it's in Vegas.
Watch,
California.
wait.
Yeah?
Come out.
You can't go past that.
You can't go past that.
No, Michigan.
Why?
Come out.
Because you can't.
Says my turn.
No, you can't pass that.
No, I didn't see that.
Basketball.
I mean, this was.
Hey, Manny.
I didn't see what I looked.
I hope Gravedigger comes out next.
Yeah. I want to see Scooby-Doo. I want to see some Scooby-Doo and Gravedigger.
Those are the ones that come go up pop first.
Are they going to crush cars?
No, they come back and another driver comes out.
Oh, nice.